Hello students, welcome you all in today's lecture of computer applications. Today we are going to study about chapter number 1, computer system and overview. In this chapter we will study the basic terms related to computer. So let's see what is the first question of this chapter. What is a computer? In primary classes also you have studied about it. You have studied as computer is a machine, but now you will study the standard definition of a computer, which is a computer is an electronic device that can perform a variety of operations according to a set of instructions called program. Now, what do you mean by program in computer terms? Program means set of instructions because computer is a machine. It doesn't do anything itself. It performs the operations according to our programs. And that's why we learn the programming languages in computer. Now we can say a computer is a combination of hardware and software which transforms some data into information. Now here we are studying some different terms: hardware, software, data and information. Now we will study about each and every term separately. So our next question is, what is hardware? Now in primary classes also you have studied about it. So let's recall the definition. It refers to the physical parts of the computer that you can touch. Now which parts of computer you can touch? For example, keyboard, monitor, CPU, CD, pen drive, etc. All these physical parts are known as hardware. What is software? Software refers to the instructions that tell the computer what to do. Because computer is a machine. It doesn't do anything itself. We have to give some instructions, some program to run that machine. And that set of instructions is known as software. For example, Windows, MS Office, and the games which you play on computer is also an example of software. And Windows, that is the most basic software which is required to run our computer system. Now I give you one more example. Let's take the example of CD or pen drive. In CD or pen drive, you store the games or songs. The CD itself is a hardware, but the games and songs which you record on it, they are the example of software. What is data? Unprocessed raw facts and figures are data. What it means? Raw facts and figures. For example, I give you the three words Rohan, 90% and 2019. Does it convey any meaning to you? No. But with this data, if I give you some instructions like it is a name of a student, his passing marks and passing year, then your mind will start processing on these facts and figures and you will get some information. So our next definition is, what is information? It refers to the processed data that is meaningful. For example, after getting the data and instructions, now you process that data and give some meaningful information like Rohan, who passed in 2019, secured 90% marks. So it conveys some meaning to us, and that meaningful information helps in decision making. So that is known as information. So today we have studied about definition of computer, hardware, software, data and information. So revise all these terms, learn it, write in your notebook and type all these definitions in MS Word or in Google Docs so that you can do the practical work also. I hope you have understood all the definitions very clearly. So keep revising, keep learning and take care. Thank you so much.